This one here is kind of cool. This is a Salvino JR model of the Tim Richmond 1986 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, the Folgers Monte Carlo, Hendrick Motorsports. Kind of a cool car. So this is a the old Salvino kits here. These are the old monogram kits, and the monogram kits are always cool. If you follow along my page, you know that I love these kits. So let me show you what I got. Oh, 3, 2, 1. Bunker, 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 bunker. Alright, put the camera down here. Let me spin you around here a little bit here. Alright, so let me tell you a little bit about this guy here. Alright, so I originally bought this as a quick build because a lot of my cars lately from the following line aren't quite coming out the way I like them to. So I figured I'd do a quick build here. Because I built a million of these old school monogram kits and I love them. I was a little disappointed with this one. Now, I'm not disappointed with Salvino JR. I appreciate that they put out the old models. Really, truly appreciate that as a fan of these. There was a hell of a lot of flash on this kit. Everything was super flashy. So, with that being said, it took me a while to clean everything up and get it together. Most of it went together pretty well. I don't have any problems with much here. The back sits a little low because actually in transit here the rear suspension kind of broke there, so I got to redo that. The front suspension, I lost the upper A bar on. I know I painted it because I remember, and then I never saw it again. For some reason my decals are coming off on the front here, the Goodyears. I'm gonna have to put a little white glue on there and then maybe put a coat of dull coat Tester's dull coat around that. Yeah. I had a little problem with the front decal here going around. As you see, that didn't quite work my way. Decals, these are the, power slide decals. Almost forgot the name there. I love the power slide decals. Appreciate JR Salvino using those. Underneath. Not my best work there, not my best work. Let's take the hood off since it fell off here. Look at the engine. Again, got the shocks on this side, no shocks on that side. Totally lost them. Have no idea what happened to them. Here's a funny story too. The radiator up front here is laying down because when I put the body on the chassis, the radiator popped off and all fooled, but I'm like, oh crap. Had a little problem here. This was also part of the, right along here, the excessive flash. The front window didn't quite sit in properly. Go inside, straight up roll cage. Alright, now I should tell you about the paint. The roll cage itself is regular Rust-Oleum. I believe it's cherry red. Nothing special there, so spray that. Now, as you can see, the body is super sparkly. This was a Tester's, what do I call it? It's Extreme Lacquer. Extreme Lacquer. So I get a nice, oh, there we go. Yeah, that looks nice. I wanted something a little flashy for the body. I know I got a little something underneath the decal right there. I'm not too happy with that. I wanted something a little flashy for the body, something a little different. Dog hair on my... Any of you who's got pets knows that dog hairs are everywhere. Anyways, I wanted something flashy for the body, and I think that came out real nice. Nice color for the Folgers. Really, really enjoy that. Alright, so, let's get this out of there. What is that? A little something, something. Okay, so like I've said before, I love these old monogram kits. Appreciate Salvino's coming out with them. You gotta watch on the flash a little bit there. I was a little disappointed on the flash. Car went together real well otherwise. Just like I said, the flash kind of screwed things up. And the fact that I was losing parts, I don't know what the hell was going on there. And the front decal didn't quite want to go on properly. This may be a car that, well, it will sit in my collection for a while, but this may be a car that may get stripped down later on and different coat of paint on it later on. We'll see. I don't know. Like I said, I'm happy with it, but I'm not overly thrilled with it, and that's me. It's nothing on the model. I can't get the hood back on. Ah, there it goes. Okay. So there we are. The Salvino JR Tim Richmond 1986 Chevy Monte Carlo. I love these kits. Not so much this one. But I love these kits. You see the body didn't quite sit right either. You can see where it kind of... The roof kind of goes over the... Anyways. This may get a rebuild in the future. Alright, everybody. That's where I'm at with that one. All nice, said, and done. I should get a stand for my camera one day so my camera's not super shaky. So, appreciate you watching. Appreciate my subscribers. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget to comment me. I always comment everybody back. Alright, everybody. Like I say in all my videos, wherever you're at and whatever you're doing, I hope it's a good one. So stick around. There's plenty more videos to come up. Oh, don't forget to stick around. There's always a slideshow at the end of these too. Alright, everybody. I'll see you around.